Go ahead and go on the other side.
Up and over.
Yeah, this one was out there 165 feet.
We'll be here a while, right? This is good.
Yeah, sun's coming back out.
Right.
You gonna get that fish for me, Doug?
Yeah.
Got a leader. That's one of them rods I bought off that guy. Turned out to be a pretty good one. Alright, just take some steps back, Darren.
Right here.
There you go. Hit on the long bait. Not a big fish, but still a nice one.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a big fish, but no box.
There you go.
There he is. Gonna film me putting him back. There you go.
Hey, buddy. Wide open. Right on.
Crazy. Still filming. Right on.